Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I just got my Erin Condren surprise box. This is the first one I've ever gotten, so we're gonna open it together and see what's inside. So on the inside of the box it says, change your thoughts and you can change the world. I love how the Erin Condren stuff always comes in festive packaging and with fun surprises. And it says the box theme is spring into action. So let's see what's inside. I can't wait. I'm so excited because I've missed the last two. So I've been like stalking the page to make sure that I got my surprise box this year. So the first thing, and if you've never got one before, there is like a little card that tells you what's inside the box too. But that's not as much fun. So there is this little like pencil pouch, which is perfect because I have like 100,000 pens, and so now I'll have some that match my Erin Condren stuff. And it came with two pencils, and so they have the gold foil on it, and this one says hello lovely, and this one says live in full bloom. So hopefully you all can see that. But this is so nice. And it's got the gold little Erin Condren like zipper pull with her little thing. So that's super excited. And it came with a 25% off for, it looks like, any of their writing utensils, which is awesome because I really like their dual tip markers. They're great in my Erin Condren teacher lesson plan book. Ooh, this is, it says that it is a like shopping bag, a reusable shopping bag, and it's in this painted petals or whatever they call this new design. So this is really nice and big, and it's like vinyl-y, so it should hold up pretty well. Let's see, looks like got like a little index card, note cards with the, you know, their classic sayings, and then the little stickers to like close it shut. So there's the like the painted petal, and then there's this, I think this new theme, the floral, I think it's called like In Bloom. I just watched one of Erin Condren's videos today. I think it's called In Bloom. But it's an updated version of that, and it also has some of the metallic-y stuff in it. So that's super exciting. Ooh, then it has this, these patch things, and it says, that it looks like they're like kind of stick on, and you can put them on like your planner covers, or I guess inside, or clothing, you know, I guess whatever you like to put patches on. So there's one that says hello lovely, and then there's a flower, and then there's a little bird. The new sticker collection, so this is the April sticker collection, I'm guessing. Yeah, so, and it has the metallics on it, and then just some plain stickers on the back, and this new cover that matches the patches and the little pencil pouch for your life planner, which right now I only have the teacher planner because I wasn't doing very good at keeping up with the life planner, but I might need to get one now that I have this fun new In Bloom with the metallic accent covers. So that is everything in my surprise box. I'm super excited. I'm probably the most excited about this pencil pouch, and of course the stickers, because who doesn't love stickers, just because those are probably the most functional for me right now. But you can never have enough note cards or coupons. So I am so excited, and I can't wait, and hopefully I can pay attention to the emails and do the new surprise box, you know, for probably for fall. So that is my surprise box, and I'm super excited. So Erin Condren, thank you so much for doing this, and I hope you guys have a good night.